Hi guys, we are back to the channel and with the font style 2 part 3 we shall continue with the letter M because we stopped with letter L. So I'll show you how to make it. So the breakup is that this is a thin or a fat curve, a small one, and then you go up as a thin line, then you come down as a thick line, then you go up as a thin line, come down as a thick line, and by now you know how to do the slash which you've learned so many times. This is thick, this is, these two are parallel to each other, you can see, and these two are also parallel to each other. So that's what M is. Now we move to the next letter N. Now this is N. First let me form it and then I'll explain you how to do it. So now the formation is thin line, then a sleeping line which is fat, then as I told you, thin, thick, and thin line, and then you go a little downwards to the left and make a curve, then again a thick line, then from up it is a curve which is thick, and then a thin line, and then a thick line, and again a thin line, and then it's a slash. So you go to the left, curve, go to the right, again make a curve from up to down, and when you come down it is almost a straight line, it's a thin line, and then again you go little up as a curve. Next letter is letter O, and I have always told you that O is going to be parallel like this. Either make it like this or break it into two halves and do it so that you get it parallel to each other. Then after that, when you come here, you take a curve which is thick, go up. While going up, it automatically becomes thin. Then try to form a E and go up. This is about O. Then we move to the next letter, which is letter P. First I will do it and then I'll show you how to do it. As I've told you, in calligraphy it is nothing like you have to do this first and this later. I can do this or I can do P and then do this as I am comfortable. So it's a thin line, then a thick line, then a thick standing line, then you have a thin curve, thin and back joining the P. Then here it is as usual, you know how to do the slash now. I have showed you in N also. So we move forward to the letter Q, sorry. Q is nothing like, it's O, and then you have a, which I'll explain you. Q is exactly like O, and then we go to the writing the lower part, that is the slash. I'll show you how to do that. That's a thin line, then a thick curve going downwards, then you go up as a thin, again you curve it downwards, then you come down as a straight line, then you take a turn towards your left and again form a curve downwards and then go up. It almost resembles letter Z in English. Then we move towards the letter R. First let me do it, then I'll show you. Now this is a thin line, then a curve downwards, then a thick line, and then a thin line, and you go up to form a curve. Then here it's a thin line, then a curve, then again a thick line, and go down as a thick line, then end and do the slash, which I have shown you so many times. I hope you all know it by now. Now we move to the letter S. Let me do it, guys, then I'll tell you. So the breakup of letter S is, this is a thick curve, then a thin line, then a curve going like the letter S only, then go down. Here it is a thin line, then go up again and form a curve which comes down. Then you go again up and then come down. While you're coming down, it's a thin line, then go up a little up like a curve, thick one. In fact, if you go on your own, it will come as a thick curve. I am just explaining you what it's going to be. Then we move onward towards the letter T. The lower part is exactly which I have shown you in S. It's just a bigger in S and it's little smaller in T. The upper is thin line and then a curve, then a line, sleeping line, and then again up it's a thick line, thick curve and a thin line attached to it, and again a thick standing line. Then it is a thin line which goes towards to form the slash. So guys, that's it for today.
If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.